Simplify 27 by 125 to the power x square minus 12 equals to 25 by 9 to the power 9. So this one directly we can write 27, it means 3 cube, and 125 means 5 cube, right? So we can write 3 by 5, and here is whole cube, and here times x square minus 12. Okay, then this one 25 we can write 5 square, it means 5, and 9 means 3 square, it means 3, and square, and here is times 9. Okay, so here is 3 by 5, we can write 3 by 5, and here is 3x square minus 36 equals to, so here is 5 by 3, but here is 3 by 5. So as per negative exponent we can write 3 by 5, and here is 2 times 9 is 18, so this is minus 18. Okay, as per negative exponent. So look, here base are same, it means 3 by 5 and 3 by 5. So we can write 3x square minus 36 equals to minus 18. Now 3x square equals to minus 18 and plus 36, it means plus 18. So now we can divide both sides by 3. So x square equals to what? 6, because 18 by 3 is a 6. So x equals to, we can make square root both sides, so plus and minus root 6, and this is our answer. If you have any question, please write a line in the comments box. Thank you.